you're looking for a quick, easy, and hearty dish for a cold winter's night, beef stroganoff is the perfect one for you. So I've got a large saute pan, I melted some butter, I floured lightly some top sirloin strips, and now I'll saute them until they're browned on both sides. Now I removed the beef to a bowl, and now I've added some additional butter, and I will saute some onions that I've diced and some nice hearty mushrooms, and we'll saute those until the vegetables have softened. Now in the same pan I used equal parts of butter and flour to make a roux. That's cooked now, and now I'll slowly add in 2 cups of beef stock, and I'll let the sauce come to a boil and wait till it thickens. Now I'm going to add a little ketchup to the mix, as well as some paprika and some dried basil, and then some freshly grated nutmeg. Stir that around, and then add back the onions, mushrooms, and beef, and let that simmer. Now the last thing I'm going to do is to add some sherry, mix that in, and I'll bring over a bowl that has egg noodles in it. That's the traditional way to serve stroganoff. And you can even top it with some sour cream to make it really authentic. Get the recipe by writing to me here at the station or log on to the website. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. See you next time.